friends, today we are going to discuss about how we are going to close a purchase requisition. Now, before I want to close a purchase requisition, why you need to close purchase requisition? Because it may happen when you create a purchase requisition, there is an approval process where you say, okay, my budget is, I'm going to spend $100,000 on this process, okay? But if you are not closing the purchase requisition, that means the same prereq can be used over and over again in buying the same thing. So it may happen, there can be cases where you have 100,000 purchase requisition, but you bought $1 million of worth of good using that purchase requisition over and over again, unless you have some customization in SAP procurement purchase order while creating purchase order. So how you can close it first of all. So you can close it by clicking on this indicator closed. Okay, so let's describe what is it saying. So you can say flags of purchase requisition as closed. That means no further purchase orders are to be created for this requisition. Now you might say, okay, how you went to this particular things, how you went to the help. So you can click shift F1, no, not this way, sorry. Let me go, ME52N. You can click just on F1. Okay, so if you click on F1 on any field, okay, let me close this, you will get, so I'm clicking F1 and you get the information on this. And then you can set this indicator manually, which you probably don't want to do, and you want to have the system set that when automatically created purchase orders from purchase requisition, you can close it so that it cannot be misused. Okay, so what you have to do is you click on this, go here and you click on close. Let me tell you what is the technical. So this is the field in the module pool in the screen, but what is the technical field behind anything? You just click on F1 and you click on this toolbox button, and this is the field, okay, eBAX. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are just going to save it, and you'll see this is closed. Okay, so that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and have a great day.